Never boil eggs directly in a pot of water again. Today, I'll show you how to boil eggs like in a 5-star restaurant right at home. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. The eggs are perfectly cooked, incredibly easy to peel, and the shells almost come off by themselves. The yolks are perfectly cooked, not dry, and retain their natural flavor without any extra cost. Watch until the end of the video and you won't want to go back to your old way of boiling eggs. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, wash the eggs thoroughly. Sometimes when buying eggs from the market, the shells still have chicken droppings, feathers, dirt, and may even carry bacteria like E. coli or salmonella. These bacteria can enter the body through the digestive tract and cause stomach pain, negatively affecting health. Therefore, you absolutely should not skip this step. Place the eggs in a large bowl or container. Add about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then pour in water until the eggs are completely submerged. Gently stir to dissolve the salt and baking soda. Soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After soaking, use a clean kitchen towel to gently scrub the surface of each egg to remove any remaining dirt. Then rinse the eggs with clean water and place them on a rack to drain. When chickens lay eggs, the eggs pass through a common tube at the end of their body, which is also the excretory duct. Therefore, the surface of the eggshell is often contaminated immediately after being laid. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. This is why eggshells often have feces, feathers, and harmful microorganisms such as E. coli and salmonella clinging to them. Baking soda helps loosen the dirt, while salt acts as a disinfectant. As a result, the eggs are more thoroughly cleaned, removing unpleasant odors from the dirt during boiling, and we can be more confident about food safety. Many people store eggs in the refrigerator, but if you boil them immediately, the sudden temperature change can cause the eggs to crack and the egg white to stick to the shell. Sudden temperature fluctuations make eggs prone to cracking and difficult to peel. Simply soak the eggs in clean water for about 10 minutes before boiling. This helps stabilize the temperature, reduces cracking, and makes peeling much easier. After boiling, the eggs are less likely to crack and are extremely easy to peel. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods. Eggs contain many vitamins, minerals, protein, and choline, very good for the brain and health. Everyone can eat eggs, from young children to the elderly. Almost everyone can eat eggs easily. After being cleaned, the eggshells become brighter, cleaner, and safe to use. Add about 1 to 1.2 liters of water to the rice cooker. Add a little salt and stir until dissolved. Salt not only helps the water boil more steadily, but also helps the eggs cook evenly and taste better. Now, place a steamer basket in the rice cooker, then arrange the eggs in the basket. Normally, we boil eggs directly in water. When the water boils vigorously, the eggs are easily damaged, the shells crack, and the egg whites or yolks spill out, reducing the flavor and being very wasteful. In addition, some eggs are very difficult to peel and look unappealing. Important tip for easy egg peeling: place a small bowl in the pot, on top of the steamer basket or in the corner of the pot. Add a little vinegar and salt to the bowl. Stir until dissolved to soften the eggshells, making them easier to peel. Eggshells are mainly composed of calcium carbonate. When in contact with the acetic acid and vinegar, part of the shell's surface will be slightly softened, and the shell will peel off with just a light tap. The combination of vinegar and salt also helps the eggs become softer and more fragrant after cooking. A small amount of salt also adds electrolytes that are beneficial to health. If you like soft-boiled eggs, steam for about 6 minutes. If you prefer hard-boiled eggs, steam for about 11 to 12 minutes. Steaming for too long will dry out the eggs, making them difficult to digest and reducing their flavor. About 11 to 12 minutes is the ideal time. Steaming in a rice cooker prevents the eggs from bumping, cracking, and ensures they cook more evenly than boiling them directly in water. When the time is up, open the lid. The eggs will have a pleasant aroma and no fishy smell. However, if you peel them immediately, they will be very hot and difficult to handle. And you shouldn't eat eggs while they are still too hot. Don't peel them right away. Now, prepare a bowl of cold water. While the eggs are still hot, immediately put them in the cold water. The cold water will help the eggs cool down very quickly and make them easier to peel. When hot eggs are placed in cold water, the proteins inside will contract slightly, creating a small gap between the egg white and the shell. This helps the shell peel off more easily. Now, peel the egg. Use the back of a knife or spoon to gently tap around the shell. Now, peel the egg. Use the back of a knife or spoon to gently tap around the shell. As you can see, the shell peels off very quickly and easily, with almost no egg white sticking to the shell. The peeled egg looks very nice. The egg white is intact, soft, smooth, and slightly elastic. You can also do the same by gently tapping and peeling along the length of the egg. The shell will peel off very easily. Additionally, you shouldn't eat eggs at the same time as too much soy, as this combination can reduce the absorption of nutrients from both foods. Now cut the egg in half to see the yolk inside. You can see the yolk is a beautiful yellow color, evenly cooked, not dark and not dry at all. Whether it's a light breakfast or a simple afternoon tea, a plate of boiled eggs like this is very satisfying and pleasant. Breakfast with eggs is quick, convenient, and very nutritious. If you want to boil eggs that are delicious, soft, and easy to peel like this, try the method I just shared. You certainly won't be disappointed. It's great to be connected with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you love salad, this video is for you. With just a few familiar ingredients, you'll have a fresh, light, and balanced salad that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Wash the lettuce. Soak in cold water for 5 minutes to crisp it. Dry completely. A vegetable spinner is best. Tear lettuce into bite-sized pieces. Do not cut with a knife. Tomatoes. Cut into wedges or halve, if using cherry tomatoes. Cucumber. Slice thinly or diagonally. Red onion. Slice very thinly. Boiled eggs. Cut the eggs into 4 or 6 pieces. Add tomatoes, cucumber, purple onion. Then arrange on a plate. Mix gently. Then arrange on a plate. Arrange the boiled eggs on top. Sprinkle with cilantro and a pinch of pepper. Mayonnaise. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. This salad is very easy to eat and not greasy because the boiled egg balances the flavor with the fresh vegetables. I often make it when I need a quick light meal that's still nutritious. This is the type of salad that Americans eat regularly in their families. You can customize the toppings to your liking, and it's always delicious. If you have any tips for boiling eggs or your favorite egg dishes, please share them in the comments. I'd love to learn more from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share with family and friends, and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel so you don't miss any more tips. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video!